Are you looking for an investment opportunity in the heart of Metro Manila? Then this feature is for you. Hello friends, and welcome to a 3-part episode of House for Hunt, where we will explore real estate properties around the Metro. I am Sandra, and this is Ortigas Land. Maven is a 62-story residential tower and third one to rise in Capitol Commons. It is perfect for young professionals and for those working within Ortigas Center. It offers a studio, 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, and 3-bedroom units. Let's go and check out the showrooms with our property specialist.
Let's go check out another 1-bedroom unit for Maven Tower at Capitol Commons. So let's check it out.
Here in our layout board, we have here a 59 square meters or 635.7 square feet, 1-bedroom unit that has all these details. So, shall we go in?
So this is how it looks like. Countertop, overhead, under cabinets overhead in here and below, and it's pretty empty. The bedroom is here with balcony. Flooring is nice. Laminated wood with balcony. Okay, let's do some magic. Hello! This is the magic.
Okay, when you enter the 1-bedroom of Maven unit, you are going to be greeted by this hallway that leads you to this kitchen. As you can see, our kitchen here has a lot of modular storage. Up here, plenty of cupboards. Down here, we also have these drawers that is soft closing, and our cupboards here is complete with push latches. And our latest feature for our deliverable unit, it has this ready space for your microwave oven. And on our left, we have here additional closet storages, and then of course our washing machine. So this is your perfect utility area. It's huge, no?
And this is what you can do on the living room and the dining area. Pretty nice, huh?
Basically, the market for this Maven is, young professionals. So this one is really dressed up in a very fashionable way. So again, a lot of storages. Living in a condominium, you really need a lot of storage spaces.
Let's check out the bedroom. Oh, by the way, this is the toilet and bath. Pretty big for a 1-bedroom unit.
And this is our bedroom. So again, it's beautifully dressed up. So you can see they put a lot of mirrors here. And you have your dresser, and of course at the same time your work area and your television right there.
Lovely. This could be for my daughter when she grows up, she becomes a fashion designer.
Here we have a balcony. So can you imagine a 1-bedroom with a balcony? This is beautiful. Look at that. So you can put a lot of plants here, if you may, and then a little bit of a garden set, perhaps to just dress up this place and make it feel very refreshing.
Really nice with this makeup table, which they do. Yeah, see that? She can be a tailored fashion designer.
And And again, we have built-in closets. Very spacious for you if you're single and very busy working. So there you go. Thank you.